What's up, everybody? I'm back with some more tool deals for you. Today we have a lot more tabs. I don't think I could just keep it to 5 or 6 deals a day. I'm trying to, but let's get on with the show. First up, we have Tractor Supply Co. Company. They have a lot of deals. Even though I only have 2 tabs up, you're going to have to go in store. Trust me, and I'll show you that in a second from the Facebook group. But first, let's talk about this deal. We have a Porter Cable 20-volt impact driver kit. Comes with two 1.3 amp hour batteries. Yes, 1.3 amp hour batteries. The lowest of the low. But it does come with 2 of them. It comes with the little slow baby charger. Probably charges faster than Heart brand, but I don't know. Never used this. This impact driver has 1,450 inch-pounds, so very respectable numbers. $79 for the whole kit, man. Get a bag and all that. You can't beat that with a bat or a stick or a hockey stick. Maybe a golf club. You might be able to beat it with a golf club. So there you go, $79 there. Buy it online. All right, next up, we have a really nice deal here for a new tool. The new DeWALT mid-torque impact wrench. Yes, this is the one that was featured on the Torque Test channel, and it whooped everybody. I mean, just absolutely smoked everybody. Every other brand. 800 foot-pounds of max breakaway, 600 foot-pounds of fastening, and it actually overperformed. This here comes with a 4 amp hour battery, charger, and a bag for $249. Now I want to bring it up over at Home Depot. It's tool only for $249. Most mid torques are going to be around this price range. Metabo HPTs was like $189. And that's something to consider too. The Metabo HPT. Let's go and pull that up real quick because it is something to consider. All right, so here it is over at Toolbarn, and I want to use Toolbarn for multiple reasons. First off, because you can get signed up for their rewards program and get Barn Bucks, which help you get money off. Plus, they qualify for Rakuten, which will give you 2% cash back. And if you're new to Rakuten, which is a free cashback extension, use my link in the description. You have to use the link in the description. Otherwise, you don't get the extra $30 cash back when you spend $30. Plus, they offer you a little discount, so you get an extra $5 off this order as well. So, Barn Bucks, $5, $30, plus 2% cash back. That's all if you're new. If you're not new, just 2% cash back. $189, and until tomorrow, which is September 30th, you get a free 4 amp hour 36 volt battery. Now, this does not give you a charger or anything like that. We missed that deal. That was about a month ago. You buy this tool, you get a free starter kit, 4 amp hour battery, charger, plus a free extra battery. Let's look at the numbers. If you go look at the torque test, if you saw that the Metabo was is right after the DeWalt, but it's not right after, it's after because nothing's coming close to the DeWalt. 774 foot-pounds of nut busting. The DeWalt advertised 800. 568 foot-pounds of tightening. The DeWalt advertised 600. But the DeWalt just really overperformed. And the Metabo HPT in their test kind of slightly underperformed these numbers. So it's a little gap there. But this does have a lifetime warranty. And it'll run off battery as well as AC adapter. You can plug it into the wall. So, $189 with a free battery. You still got to buy a charger. That's something to consider. Over here at Lowe's, man, y'all, every day with Lowe's, man. Every time I try to pull up Lowe's, why is it $369? This doesn't make any sense. Anyway, ignore this. I would just say go into Lowe's. This might be on clearance, like everything else is in Lowe's right now. And if it's on clearance, you still qualify for the free battery. I don't know. Whatever, Lowe's. So, anyway, this is still a good deal at $249. Very solid in the entire kit. And yeah, there you go. I have nothing else to say. Now let's move on to the Facebook group because I want to talk about Tractor Supply. All right, so I don't know how to say your name. I'm not going to try. I don't want to mess it up. I'm sorry, man. But she posted this in the group. Very good deals. It's from Lowe's. We're going to get the Tractor Supply. This just popped up. $55 for this Bosch angle grinder. Bosch makes good tools. They're usually really expensive, but Bosch makes good tools, y'all. marked down from $139, $55. I don't know if Bosch has a buy more, save more. So you guys got to check that out because Flex does at Lowe's and Metabo HBT does also at Lowe's. Bosch might have it too. What else do you have? You have, that's the angle grinder. Still, impact driver drill for the kit, 2-tool kit, $79.57. Come on. I need to go to Lowe's. I have enough tools. Chris, you don't need these. You already have them. Anyway, let's keep going. I know I'm skipping some of y'all stuff. I'm just trying to get to some points. Also, Metabo HBT, also at Lowe's. They're dropping the prices even more. This was $89 Sunday because I just bought it. Now I got to go back. This circular saw, it's an 18-volt circular saw. You see all these lifetime warranties, $55 for that, $59 for this with a lifetime warranty. And then the 4-tool kit, which also comes with a lifetime warranty for everything, $148. This is just what, $171, $179 on Sunday? Crazy. Now let's get to the Tractor Supply. Man, Josh posted some stuff. Where is it? Josh posts keep disappearing. All right, there you go, Josh. All right, so Josh he posted this yesterday. For some reason, Facebook felt like it was spam or something and deleted it. And then he reached out to me and I was like, hey man, look, post it again. I'm gonna make sure it sticks this time. And there are some deals again. This is still Tractor Supply, but online, their regular price was just slightly discounted. In store, they're more discounted. Bosch 12-volt, 2-tool combo, 109. I don't personally like that kit. It's really weak, but it is deeply discounted. Then you have some angle grinders, but geez, we just saw a cordless angle grinder. But these are from Makita, though. We saw a cordless Bosch for, what was that? I don't even remember what it was. Super cheap. Then you have a bunch more sales, a bunch more deals. I don't like $159 for this kit. It's not terrible. 300 inch-pounds is what it produces, but it has a lot of attachments. I still like the Metabo, not the Metabo HBT. I still like the Metabo deal over at Ohio Tools a lot better because it erased the one. It's $59. Comes with the right angle, comes with the drill. The hex is already built in with the Metabo, so you don't need that extra attachment. You just take everything off, and then the drill itself has it built in. The only thing it's missing is the offset, and you can buy that for like an extra $30, and it's a whole kit, and boom, you in there, and it produces more torque. So let's pull that up real quick. All right, so here we are over at Ohio Power Tool. I know it looks like a lot less because again, it just has these 2 extra attachments. But again, this hex driver is built in. It's already in there. There's nothing to lose, which I appreciate. And unlike, I'll say Milwaukee, you can buy these separately. Milwaukee doesn't allow you to buy these separately. If you lose one, you got to buy a whole new kit. $59.95, 2-amp-hour battery. And you just need to buy the offset, which I think is like $30. I looked it up, looked into it before. Charger, hard case, not that soft one. And I don't know that did this even come with a case? We don't know. It might have just came in a box. You got to hold all this stuff. I would assume it came with a case, though. So there you go. I think that's a much better value. Moving on, while we're still over at Ohio Power Tools, I stumbled across this trying to look for that Metabo one, and I want it. Bosch 18-volt Pro Factor brushless hammer drill, 1/2 inch with a shiny metal chuck. Look at this. Buy this, free shipping, and you get a free 8-amp-hour starter kit. So you get an 8-amp-hour battery and a charger for $199. That's a really good deal right there. I mean, it's still kind of high for a hammer drill when you think about it. Produces 1,330 inch-pounds. This thing ain't playing no games. I gotta really look deep into it and compare the RPMs and all that other stuff, but I'm gonna go out on a limb and say this is a really, really nice drill. And I think I might get it. Yeah, I think I might get this. When you look at, well, I guess it's no. When you look at that Milwaukee brand new one, it's $199 also. So it's very competitively priced. And again, you get an 8-amp-hour battery. So that's saying a whole lot. Why am I doing this to myself? I don't need this. Jeez Louise. Moving on. Let me get out of the Facebook group. But I think it was more deals, though. We not done. Josh had more. All right, so this is it. Look at this, y'all. This special buy, so I think you got to go in store because I didn't see this online. You get the drill, $79 for the kit. Impact driver, I did show you guys that. I was able to pull that up. And then also the double pack angle grinders for $59. You get two of them. And they're like little compact angle grinders. You get two of them for $59. That's crazy. It's crazy to me. They're corded though, the angle grinders, so keep that in mind. And I think that was it. No, was it? No, was he had even more? You buy one of these tools to get a free starter kit, 4-5 battery with a charger. Josh, I'm stopping there, man. He got more. He got even more. Got even more. Just join a group, man. Look at this. 219 for now. Here's the thing. This impact wrench is awful though. It's a mid torque that only produces 219 foot-pounds. So I wouldn't recommend this, but it is pretty cool that you get one of these other tools like this right angle ratchet. But again, are you in the Porter cable cordless tool family? Probably not, but maybe you are. I don't know. Moving on. This is for Ingersoll Rand fanatics. $444 for this impact wrench kit, okay? I think there's a 4-amp-hour battery. Is it a 4-amp-hour battery? 5-amp-hour battery with a charger and a very nice soft case. $444. This thing is incredible with the numbers. 1,500 inch-pounds. I'm going to show you what I like about it real quick. I like how the dial settings are on the back of the tool because sometimes, and I also like the ring light as long as it's not blinding. But let me show you something with these pictures down here. Sometimes, bolts are not right in your face like that, and they're like kind of in weird spots. And it's like, finally got the tool and got the socket on the bolt. You did all the little twisting and all that to get it on there, and it's in a weird spot. And then you try to hit it, and it doesn't come off. And then you need to adjust the speed, and the speed is usually down here. So you got to take it off and then adjust the speed, then try to wiggle around with it again to try to change to get the socket back on the bolt. I don't like doing that. I don't like having to take it off. So the fact that you can adjust the speed from the rear, man, everybody should do that. I don't know why more people don't do it, but companies need to adopt this right here. So Ingersoll Rand, I tip my hat off to you. That was intelligent. So, leaving that there, $444, that's really expensive, but it's the most powerful and and it's different, got some things going for it. So moving on to eBay, right? Tools Direct, again, still with 30% off, but remember the Rakuten doesn't count. You could try, but I would say only if you've already signed up for the $30 and you got in your $30, will I say try this with eBay. Activate it and see if they give you cash back, but you see tools is not in this cash back category. So we're just looking at the 30% off. So remember, Tools Direct buys pallets and everything that they sell is going to be a return of some sort, some stuff, or they were never picked up. They were shipped to the store and never picked up. Or it may have been the person that just swapped the tool out. So you got to check this stuff when you get it. But here it just says DeWALT Heavy Duty Work Stand. Now, here's how you get the real good deals on like the DeWALT stands and stuff, or the miter saw stands and stuff like that. You got to just look up the model number because let me show you what this really is. Okay, this is this. It's a miter saw stand right here, okay? It's $120 at Amazon, which is a good price because usually it's almost $200. It was $150 at Lowe's right now. But it's $120 at Amazon, but over here at Tools Direct, it's $99 with an additional $30 off, making this about $70. So $70 for this miter saw stand. All right, good deal right there. Take advantage. Moving on. All right, so next up we have this DeWALT jigsaw. So it's the body grip is what it's saying. I forgot what seeing that is making me forget what the actual real term for it is. So yeah, the barrel grip. So this is what it is. Normally $219. Come back over here. It's $149 with an additional $30 off. Brings us down to $105. So that's more than half off. Another great deal. All right, moving on. We have this Milwaukee rapid charger for also $70. Okay, so it's $129, but over here it is $70. So huge savings there. That's $50 off. Moving on, we have this bandsaw, which is also normally $399. We've seen quite a few deals though. The best deal we've seen, it was $299 with the M18 impact wrench that all of you love, which I will say I got it in my hands and I played around with it. I see its value just a little bit. Okay, I see its value just a little bit. But still, for it to only produce 250 foot-pounds is terrible. It is. Y'all have to admit that. And I have a video coming out on that I'm going to film probably today. And I'm going to show you what's better for the same amount of money or less. All right, but anyway, this is normally $399. We do routinely see deals. We just saw one a few days ago. It's $329 with this and something else. I think that same impact wrench. But this $249 gives you an extra 30% off, which brings it to $174. Now, you're not going to find that anywhere. So that's a great deal, $174 there. All right, moving on, we have this DeWALT impact wrench. It is a compact impact wrench, and it's a very good one at that. Let me bring it up. All right, so it's this bad boy right here. It is the DCF 923B, which produces 450 foot-pounds of breakaway and 300 foot-pounds of tightening in this compact little package. If you ask me, this is the best compact impact wrench, period. Either this or the Makita. You can compare them to, and I could give some pros to the Makita, and I could give some cons to the Makita compared to the DeWALT. So, I mean, between those two, I don't think you can, I don't think you can go wrong. The only thing is, if you're buying them brand new, the DeWALT costs a lot more than the Makita, unless you're getting it from Tools Direct right now. Because if you buy it from Tools Direct right now and you get the 30% off, you're getting this thing for like $105, $106, something like that. Crazy. So way more than half off there. Finally, we're almost done. I just want to remind you of this. Keep checking. It was going in and out yesterday, coming in, going out. Just kind of keep it up. Just check throughout the day to see if it comes back in the stock. And the last two things I want to show you, this DeWALT Tough System is on sale for $269. Woohoo, best deal. Nah, I'm just messing with y'all. Of course, it's not. Come on. I just want to show it to you like this. You get the 3 cases, or you get the 3 cases in the extra tray for $178. This deal is still live. This has been live for months. Every now and then it goes out of stock, but then it comes back secretly. So it's back now. I just want to let you guys know that the DeWALT Tough System 2.0 is on sale for $178, and plus you get an extra tray. Don't go and be crazy and get 3 things for $269. We can get the same 3 things plus an extra thing for $178, and there you have it. That is the video for the day. If I was able to save you any money, I ask that you like, comment, subscribe, share. I'm on the road to 100K subscribers in the next 11 months. Please help me get there. I appreciate it. See you guys next time.